Welcome to the 6th episode of our travel drone series. Today we'll explore practical guidelines to operate your drone safely while traveling. The moment a drone takes off, every pilot's primary concern is ensuring it returns safely to their hands. Focusing solely on scenery can make it easy to miss environmental shifts, battery levels, or GPS status. Statistically, nearly 80% of drone accidents stem from temporary pilot distraction and failing to assess local environmental variables. In this video, we will cover actionable safety rules to help you control your drone smoothly and prevent unexpected accidents on location. First, monitor real-time weather conditions and wind speeds closely. Wind represents the greatest threat to flight safety. While specifications vary by model, restricting operations, when winds exceed 7 meters per second is a safe baseline. Coastal areas, deep valleys, and high-altitude mountain passes experience sudden wind gusts and turbulent air currents. Before launching, check live wind conditions. Using drone applications or specialized weather platforms like Temp. Consider how temperature and altitude impact aerodynamics. In temperatures below 5 degrees Celsius, battery chemistry degrades rapidly, causing faster discharge rates than expected. At high elevations lower, air density reduces lift efficiency and overall airframe stability. By international aviation standards, maintaining flight altitudes under 120 to 150 meters above ground level is mandated to protect airspace safety. Next, establish strict battery management protocols, your drone's lifeline. Rather than relying solely on remaining battery percentages, calculate return time to ensure the aircraft reaches the home point safely. Setting your automated return-to-home trigger at 70% of total flight capacity is a reliable safety margin. For instance, if your drone has a 30-minute rated flight time, initiate your return path around the 20-minute mark, attempting to return with under 10%. Battery risk mid-air failure if headwinds slow your progress. Carry 2 to 3 spare batteries while traveling, along with power bank-compatible chargers for vehicle charging between locations. Also, follow a systematic pre-flight inspection routine. Inspect propellers visually for hairline cracks, chips, or grit before every launch. Verify that your controller display shows a stable connection, with at least 10 GPS satellites for accurate positioning and reliable return-to-home functionality. Confirm signal transmission strength and verify that altitude and distance limits match. Local flight authorization parameters. Identify a clear emergency landing area in advance in case of unexpected signal interference or power drop. Verify local airspace rules through official aviation apps or portals to confirm you are clear of restricted zones. In addition, maintain safe distances from people and practice flight etiquette. Respecting others protects public safety and privacy rights. Avoid flying over crowded tourist sites or public parks and inform nearby visitors before taking off. Prioritize safety over camera shots, especially around beaches or children's playgrounds. Never perform dangerous maneuvers like flying low toward individuals or diving close to people. Remember that regulations vary by country when traveling internationally. For instance, the U.S. mandates remote ID broadcast compliance for drones weighing over 249 grams, while European Union rules require operator registration for all camera-equipped drones regardless of weight. Finally, know how to respond to emergencies and utilize insurance options. If an aircraft goes missing or crashes, open your control app's flight records immediately to retrieve the last known GPS coordinates. Keep in mind that recovery chances drop in the steep mountain terrain or open water due to site access risks. If an incident causes personal injury or property damage, land immediately and document the scene with photos and videos for liability records. To manage financial risks, consider manufacturer hardware protection plans or dedicated third-party liability insurance for travel pilots. A drone is an advanced flying machine that requires precise control. Bringing your aircraft back safely is just as valuable as capturing impressive video footage. In the next episode, we will share emotional travel, photo logs, and essay-style memories captured with travel drones. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you on the next flight. Thank you.